Hey guys, whether you are making smoothies or margaritas or need a food processor, this Oster blender is the perfect addition to any kitchen who needs things on the go. So first of all, you can see the stainless steel kind of square cube style look makes it really nice and stylish, so you can actually keep this on the counter instead of having to continue to tuck it away because it would, not be very attractive. So I really like that. It makes 6 cups, which is so much when you're making smoothies, margaritas, or like I said, doing any kind of food processing. And so it does have this little top piece that you can remove, and you can simply add things, like if you're making smoothies, you can add your fruits or your vegetables here on top. The only thing I would recommend is when it comes time to pour, you would go ahead and pull the entire top off, but don't worry because it comes with a little spout, and so you can easily pour directly into a cup whenever you need it. It has smoothie and food chop options along with low, medium, high, and pulse options, which is perfect for whether you're chopping up ice, you're chopping up food, or again, you're just blending things together to make a smoothie or a margarita. I really think you're gonna be satisfied with that. Easy wash, you guys. You just pull off the bottom right here. You can stick this in the dishwasher. You can choose to either hand wash these very sharp edges, or you can also put those in the dishwasher depending on what you prefer. And it's just easy to use and really simple for on the go. So if you guys are interested in that, you want to add that to your Amazon cart now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.